The new iOS 14 revealed the secrets of iPhone SE 6 months before the release. We are talking about such developments as the iPhone 9, iPad Pro, on-ear headphones and smart AirTag tags. Part of the source code was at the disposal of the media. It is reported that an updated version of the iPad Pro will receive a camera with 3 modules. One lens is for wide-angle shooting, the other is ultra-wide. The third camera module is equipped with a telephoto lens. Also, the device will receive a 3D sensor for scanning space and creating augmented reality. The 9th version of the Apple smartphone is positioned as a budget. The mobile device will support a fingerprint scanner and a transport card with payment via Apple Pay. Previously, the first sales are scheduled for the spring of this year. However, experts believe that the worldwide spread of coronavirus may hamper early release. The iOS 14 code also contains information about changes to the Apple TV. In particular, the multimedia device will receive a new remote,